If you want to increase your email click-through rates by 450%, boost sales by 800%, and pre-sell a quarter of your new product before the official launch, keep watching, because these are real results companies have seen with some clever email marketing hacks. Today, I'm going to share 7 tactics to help you do just that. And stick around, because at the end, I'll reveal the 3 must-have tips without which all your email marketing efforts will go to waste. Hello and welcome to Mailtrap videos, where we explore the world of emails. Tactic number 1, automate your welcome emails. A popular parenting website, Savvy Mum, increased email click-through rates by 450% by simply changing their usual welcome email into a sequence of 5 steps. Impressive, right? When a new subscriber joins your email list, don't leave them hanging. Set up a series of automated welcome emails to introduce them to your brand, your products, and how you can help. Let your audience feel valued from the start. Tactic number 2, never skip seasonal campaigns. No matter if you're a small local shop or a global SaaS company, seasonal events and holidays can be very beneficial for your growth. Take Charming Candle Company, an artisanal candle maker who boosted their holiday sales by 25% through targeted email campaigns. Another example is the software company Adobe. During the 2017 holiday season, they hit $108.2 billion in revenue, which was nearly $1 billion more than expected. A big part of that success came from email campaigns, which drove a huge amount of site visitors. During seasonal events like Black Friday, Christmas, or New Year, people are ready to spend. And this is your chance to grab their attention with well-crafted emails. Tactic number 3, send special deals with limited time offers. Casemate, a smartphone accessory brand, increased their revenue by an impressive 236% with just 4 emails, promoting a 12-hour flash sale. Limited time offers grab attention and create urgency. If you want similar results, create a limited time discount or deal to motivate your subscribers to act fast. Tactic number 4, send personalized recommendations and targeted content. In 2020, Kent Brushes, a premium hairbrush brand, grew their revenue by 839% through emails with personalized recommendations and targeted content. Sure, 2020 was the year emails exploded because of COVID, but still, the results are quite impressive. The company looked at what customers bought before and sent emails suggesting goods they'd probably liked. And it worked. People love emails made just for them. Tactic number 5, announce product launches early. Imagine your product sells out before you even launch it. Frija, a brand selling garment steamers, did just that by pre-selling 25% of their stock within just a few emails. The company created a buzz around a new product by giving their subscribers an exclusive sneak peek. That made customers feel special. So when you're launching something new, don't wait. Let your audience know early, get them excited, and watch your sales take off. Tactic number 6, send abandoned cart reminders. Abandoned carts is a huge problem, but they don't have to be a lost cause. Take Nanoleaf, a smart lighting device manufacturer, for example. They turned abandoned carts into 30% more sales with personalized email reminders. The company used a humanized product persona, Isabella, to make their emails feel personal and engaging, which brought customers back to their abandoned items. If you're dealing with abandoned carts, use email to remind customers about what they left behind. Highlight how many items are left to trigger the fear of missing out effect. Tactic number 7, offer exclusive content for subscription. People love valuable content, especially when it helps them solve a problem or learn something new. InfoShare Academy, a coding bootcamp, used this to their advantage by offering a free ebook for beginner developers. This simple, yet high-value resource helped them attract 1,200 qualified leads in just 1 month. By giving away exclusive content like ebooks, guides, or insider tips, you can build trust, grow your email list, and nurture potential customers into buyers. And now, the 3 secrets you need to make all these tactics actually work. Tip number 1, always keep your email list clean. Never buy email lists. And never send emails to people who didn't explicitly ask for them. This includes people who never subscribed, unsubscribed, or clearly stated they don't want promotional emails. Your email list is one of your most valuable assets. Build it ethically by only collecting emails from engaged contacts who voluntarily opted in. Once your list is built, keep it clean. Regularly remove inactive or invalid emails to boost deliverability, increase engagement, and ultimately drive more sales. Tip number 2, segment your audience. What's the point of advertising cat food to dog owners? Sending the same message to everyone is a waste of your email list's potential. Instead, split your audience into smaller segments based on their location, interests, behavior, past purchases, or even job titles. Then, you can send targeted emails specifically to each group. Targeted emails feel personal, relevant, and important, and that's what drives engagement. And the most important tip is get yourself a solid email platform. Whether you already have one or not, the right email platform is key to growing your business. With the right platform, you can save time, boost engagement, and get emails into your customers' inboxes. So if you're looking for something powerful, yet affordable and easy to use, Mailtrap is the way to go. With Mailtrap, emails actually reach your customers, not their spam folders. Here's a quick guide to help you decide. On a budget, go for Mailtrap or Flowdesk. Small team? Try Mailtrap or MailerLite. Running an online store? Omnisend is a solid choice for e-commerce features. If you want to know how to choose the best email marketing platform for your business, watch this video, where we compare the most popular options, their prices, features, and ease of use. We'll see you there, folks.